Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia C12 and Samsung Smart TV. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, let's go to YouTube app and make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi. Now press the screencast button located on the top of the screen and select your TV. Now when devices are connected, you can play any music you want on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to disconnect devices, again press this button and select disconnect. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.